welcome to the 7th edition of India's most extensive countdown, Time's Most Desirable Men 2016. मैं हूँ आपकी host Aradhana. We put together this list after you voted for the most promising, talented and attractive men on www.itimes.com. We've already gone through 10 of the country's hottest hunks in the last episode. And I know you're looking forward to seeing your favorite celebrity. Now let's see if he has made it on numbers 40 to 36.
On number 40, mysterious Tahir Raj Bhasin.
It's never easy to hold your own with so many experienced actors around. Lekin young and good-looking Tahir Raj Bhasin plays a villain with panache that sets him apart on screen. Apni natural performance and effortless talent se he made a mark with his debut appearance in Kai Po Che. Force 2 only confirmed that this young man with the yuppie good looks is also a powerhouse of talent. He is a jazz dancer and loves mixed martial arts, making him a mixture of grace and power. Quite the deadly combination. Tahir Raj Bhasin is our desirable baddie at number 40.
On number 39, debonair Raula Ghazi.
Kashmir is a storehouse of all things beautiful, and our next entry on the list is no different. Raula Ghazi has been setting the ramp on fire with his toned physique and chiseled ruggedness. A favorite with leading fashion brands, he's seen scorching fashion shows. This man could be easily mistaken for a Greek god as he makes his presence felt on this countdown at number 39.
On number 38, enchanting Viren Berman.
This charming dude from Delhi won national attention when he was selected as the first runner-up at the Peter England Mr. India contest in 2016. Besides his simplicity and style, Viren has the ladies drooling over his Gurachita looks and boyish charm. Bodybuilding, boxing, cooking और films जैसे interests के साथ Viren is a well-rounded personality जो काफी लड़कियों की नींदें उड़ा सकते हैं. This talented young gentleman is on our countdown at number 38.
So first of all, to be included in such a list is an honor above everything else. And it's very humbling. When I got the call that you're part of the most desirable men in the country, I thought to myself, you know what? I could never have dreamt of such a thing growing up.
On number 37, B-Town newbie Harshvardhan Kapoor.
That stubble, those expressive eyes, and a great pedigree. Harshvardhan Kapoor has everything going for him. After making a debut with Mirzaya, this handsome and unassuming star raised temperatures with Jacqueline Fernandez in a sizzling photo shoot. All of 26, ये handsome hunk रहते हैं काफी चुपचाप, लेकिन इनके ambitions और talent इन्हें ले जाएंगे बहुत आगे. With his understated sex appeal and smoldering presence, Harshvardhan बन गए हैं one of the hottest upcoming talents in the country. And it's no surprise to see him on our countdown at number 37.
On number 36, royal and suave Saif Ali Khan.
If there is an effortlessly stylish actor, it's Saif Ali Khan. Dapper, sophisticated and with a stately air about him, Saif Ali Khan brings a royal twist to Bollywood. This talented actor has taken on a new role as a doting father, which has made this Nawab only more desirable. A perfect cocktail of elegance and substance, Saif Ali Khan's persona is truly regal, putting him right here on number 36.
It's impressive that Harshvardhan Kapoor, the new kid in town, has already made it to the nation's heart. We still have a long way to go on this list. तो चलिए देखते हैं who else has the complete package to be featured on the list of Time's Most Desirable Men 2016.
On number 35, the knight in shining armor, Nitin Chauhan.
Reality TV star Nitin Chauhan made his presence felt with a series of appearances on popular shows. Nitin's cool and casual charm has the girls going crazy. Only 28 but climbing up the ladder quickly, Nitin is all set to rule the small screen with his good looks as he becomes more sought after with each passing year. Currently sporting a cool man bun and stubble, Nitin ने जीत लिया है दिल और number 35 की ranking on this countdown of most desirable men.
On number 34, charming Kartik Aaryan.
प्यार का पंचनामा में नॉकआउट परफॉर्मेंस देने के बाद कार्तिक आर्यन बन गए थे न्यू किड ऑन द ब्लॉक। इनके स्वीट बॉय चार्म और लुक से धोखा मत खाइए। दिस मैन इज क्वाइट एन एक्टर एंड अ कंप्लीट एंटरटेनर। ओनली 4 फिल्म्स ओल्ड, ग्वालियर के ये गबरू जवान बन गए हैं काफी सॉट आफ्टर एंड पॉपुलर। वी कांट वेट टू सी मोर ऑफ हिम ऑन स्क्रीन। मीनवाइल ही इज ऑन आवर लिस्ट एट नंबर 34.
On number 33, alluring Ali Zafar.
We love our neighbors. और अगर नेबर अली जफर जैसा गुड लुकिंग और चार्मिंग हो तो लव इज ओनली इनएविटेबल. A talented actor, singer and director, Ali has been voted the sexiest man on the planet not once but twice. We don't need any more proof of his desirability. He can kill many a dil with his honey-kissed good looks. और उनका शायराना अंदाज उन्हें बनाता है quite hard to resist. अली जफर का सफर है सीधे लेडीज के दिल तक and he is raising temperatures on this countdown at number 33.
On number 32, hot cake, Harshvardhan Rane.
Sizzling southern star Harshvardhan Rane है हमारे countdown पे at number 32. This dapper-looking star has acted in popular Telugu films और उनका Bollywood debut हुआ in a film produced by John Abraham. A lean, mean, good-looking machine, Harshvardhan juggles his commitments between Bollywood and Tollywood like a pro. और करते हैं अपनी female fan following को घायल with that sweet smile and unassuming good looks. From a guy next door to one of India's most desirable men, it's the hot and handsome Harshvardhan Rane on number 32.
On number 31, singing sensation Arjun Kanungo.
There is nothing sexier than a man who knows his music, and Arjun Kanungo has been hitting all the right notes with the ladies. Making his debut on India's Most Desirable, ये talented singer-composer है good looks और talent का very desirable combination. उनकी नशीली आवाज ने उनके debut number बाकी बातें पीने बाद को बना दिया an instant hit. He is a pro at making the young generation dance to his tunes, but Arjun has traditional roots in music and even plays the guitar and piano. आमची मुंबई से आए ये म्यूजिशियन है on number 31.
Time now to take a break, and while I get you the list of men from 30 to 21, you make a list of your own favorites. Break से वापस आने के बाद, let's see if you're able to figure out who takes the next spot. Welcome back to Time's Most Desirable Men 2016. आप देख रहे हैं 2016 के 50 ऐसे celebrities का countdown जिनका desirability quotient is the highest in this country. Till now, we've seen numbers 50 से number 31, which means we're now going to meet the men on numbers 30 to 26.
On number 30, tantalizing TV star Gautam Rode.
This good-looking actor started off with small roles and rose to superstardom on the small screen. Gautam Rode is now a name to remember. With his chiseled abs and chocolate boy good looks, Gautam अपने हर शो के साथ बने रहे more and more desirable to the ladies. He is also a great anchor on reality TV shows and has managed to win hearts across genres. हमारे छोटे पर्दे के बड़े स्टार Gautam Rode is at number 30.
On number 29, dashing Suraj Pancholi.
Rising on the horizon of stardom is Suraj Pancholi. Launched by Salman Khan in his home production Hero, Suraj का innocent charm और fabulous physique है an extremely desirable combination. He can dance, romance and do fabulous action sequences, making him a perfect hero for Bollywood. Though he is just one film old, the expectations from this wonder boy are many and उनकी female fans उन्हें देखना चाहती हैं in yet another sizzling avatar. Pancholi Jr. slays it on the desirability meter and bags the 29th position in our countdown.
On number 28, performer par excellence Niveen Pauly.
केरला से आए ये charismatic star बन गए हैं the top favorite amongst the ladies. They love his bearded look and his intense eyes. और उन आँखों में अपनी leading ladies के लिए simmering passion. His effortless masculinity and versatility as an actor only adds to his desirability. And to top it all, वो है Indian Super League football team के charismatic ambassador. An actor who chooses sensible and progressive roles, Niveen is no ordinary guy and gets a well-deserved number 28 rank on the countdown of India's most desirable men.
On number 27, B-Town ka newbie Armaan Rehlan.
Just when you thought Ranveer Singh was the eye candy in Befikre, a young actor made his debut as a handsome banker with a heart of gold. Fans were actually rooting for Vaani Kapoor to choose Armaan Rehlan over the hero. Kuch aisa hai unka charm aur charisma. Though it was his debut film, Armaan held his own and even stole a scene or two from Ranveer with his effortless acting and heartbreaking smile. Talented and easy on the eyes, this very yummy youngster is hitting all the right desirability scores and making a strong presence as the 27th most desirable man in India.
On number 26, Kolaveri boy Dhanush.
Talent और unconventional looks का तीर लगा है सीधे निशाने पर. Dhanush is a national award-winning actor who stumbled into films by accident. लेकिन इनका talent था irrepressible और बहुत जल्द Dhanush बन गए one of the leading stars in South India, gaining recognition for his intense performances in serious films. When he crooned "Why this Kolaveri D?", सारी लड़कियों के दिल हो गए घायल and Dhanush instantly बन गए इंडिया के favorite Ranjana. This sizzling sensation is one of the most talented actors in India, which is why Dhanush है हमारे countdown पे at number 26.
The Kolaveri sensation Dhanush has made it yet again. This Ranjana boy is certainly ruling many hearts. Let's not wait any further as we get closer to the top. देखते हैं who the next celebrities are on numbers 25 to 21.
On number 25, wickedly stunning Vidyut Jamwal.
6 or 8? We have lost count of how many packs Vidyut Jamwal has. His ultra-ripped physique has set the benchmark for fitness in Bollywood. A trained martial artist with great looks to match, Vidyut की rugged masculinity बनाती है उन्हें बहुत ही desirable. The charming and intense Mr. Jamwal is Bollywood's newest action hero, winning hearts with his flexible physique and great on-screen presence. Vidyut के machismo का कोई जवाब नहीं and he is utterly desirable at number 25 on our countdown.
On number 24, strikingly handsome Rana Daggubati.
Desirability ke Bahubali, Rana Daggubati is the perfect definition of a tall, dark and handsome actor. 6 feet plus, with intense eyes and a great physique to complete this deadly combination makes Rana utterly irresistible to his fans. He won several accolades with his performance in the Bahubali franchise and remains a hot favorite for both Hindi and Southern films. Rana ka jadoo sari ladies par chal gaya, making him a smoking hot presence on our Time's Most Desirable countdown at number 24.
On number 23, fair and fierce Tiger Shroff.
Tiger Shroff shot to fame on the big screen with his debut film, bringing a complete package of good looks, great bod, sensational dancing skills and khatarnak action moves. We should be thankful to his very stylish father Jackie Shroff. अपनी हीरोपंती का जलवा दिखाते हुए टाइगर छा गए हैं बिग स्क्रीन पर, romancing his ladies with passion, beating up the baddies with his karate moves and mesmerizing everyone with his light eyes. Tiger is winning hearts and developing an ever-increasing fan following with his hard to resist desirability. Tiger has got his stardom stripes very soon and he is roaring with confidence at number 23.
On number 22, Bahubali Prabhas.
The magic of Southern stars is still on with Prabhas at number 22. Telugu films में अपना टशन दिखाने वाले प्रभास ने पूरे इंडिया को अपना फैन बनाया with his amazing stunts and heartfelt performance in the Bahubali franchise. His superb physique and chocolatey brown eyes can melt any girl's heart. Prabhas has a dedicated fan following और अपने powerhouse performances के साथ he is definitely one of India's most sought after and desirable men.
On number 21, stylishly sexy Arjun Rampal.
Fit and fabulous Arjun Rampal की तारीफ में हम क्या कहें? This handsome hunk started his career as a ramp model and quickly gained popularity for his good looks and washboard abs. While a lot of former models have made unsuccessful transition to films, Arjun Rampal has transformed himself into an actor worth his salt and given us some fantastic performances in various roles. Arjun hai desirable for being the complete man, good-looking and very successful. Kaun manega that this delicious dad is 44, but only getting hotter. Arjun Rampal hai hamare countdown pe at number 21.
Ladies and gentlemen, I know there's only so much hotness you can handle. So I'm going to save the best for last. हम next episode में फिर मिलेंगे और देखेंगे who's made it to the top 20. And of course, who is that one man who has won hearts all over the country to bag the #1 spot on this list. I'll see you soon, but don't go anywhere because there's a lot more coming up on Zoom Turn On.